Nevada Virtual Academy, 2014, February 7th, the Olympic Games have started. Our Olympic Games will be soon here, right in March. Let's get ready for it. Problem number 13. Which of the following is a solution to 2x squared plus 2x minus 12 equals 0? And you have four possibilities, A, B, C, D. Okay? How should you solve a similar problem on the proficiency exam or SAT? Let's start with the equation. What you guys notice in here? Check the coefficients and the free term in your equation. 2x squared, 2x minus 12. Each one of them is divisible by 2, which allows me to divide each one of them by 2. Okay? Now, what you have? 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. Your equation will be x squared. 2 divided by 2, 1, plus x, minus 12 divided by 2 will be minus 6. Everything equals 0. Okay? Next step. Well, I'm looking for perfect square possibility. And as you guys can see, this is not a perfect square. Any other factors? No way. How about factoring this trinomial, right? If this is not prime, if I can factor this, I will have x and x in each one of my binomials here. I'm looking at my last term. Okay, hold on. My last term here is a negative 1, which tells me that 1 will be positive, 1 will be negative, right? The last term in each one of my binomials. But because the middle term here is positive, I will know that the positive factor of negative 6, because we have to analyze what factors negative 6 has, such that they add up to positive x, right? And obviously, the easiest one here will be 2 and 3, right? But 1 has to be negative, and I need to have the negative as the smallest one in absolute value, which gives me this negative 2 as the negative factor, right? And negative 2 plus 3 will be 1, positive 1, my middle term here, and I'm done. I will know that the factors of this equation will be x plus 3 and x minus 2, and obviously everything equals 0. This is my equation. Now, for this product, x plus 3, x minus 2 to be 0, I need to have either x plus 3 equals 0, right? Or x minus 2 equals 0. From the first equation, if x plus 3 equals 0, you have your first root, which is what? X equals negative 3. And from the second one, I will have, and I can use a different color here, I will have x minus 2 equals 0, and I will have x equal 2. So these two numbers are the roots of my initial trinomial, right? 2x squared plus 2x minus 12 equals 0. The only possibility from the options here will be negative 3. And you are done. Okay? That will be the answer to this problem. Which of the following is the solution? Negative 3. And you're moving on. Well, obviously, this is not the only way. Another way will be to take each one of these numbers and plug them into your initial trinomial. Maybe the easiest way will be after you divide by 2, when you have x squared plus x minus 6, right? This one here, to take each one of your possible answers and plug them in. If you have D, x equals 0, right? What you have? Negative 6 equals 0, that's not good. C, negative 2. If x equals negative 2, you have what? X squared, negative 2 squared, which would be 4, plus x, which is negative 2, right? So 4 minus 2 would be 2, minus 6 is not going to be 0. Not good. If you check negative 3, you will find out that that's the answer. Just another way to solve it. Okay? Well, this is it. Thank you.